Sir. Hello, sir. Don't sir me. Brother me, brother. Sir, brother. Hello brothers and sister, na ako karon sa downtown and there's this kids by wow brother, kilala nyo ako?
Oh, nakatanaw siya with you.
Ano yun? Biggest fan nyo ako? Thank you, bless and love sa inyo ha.
Thank you.
Alright, bye bye. Hindi na kayo mag I think someday in their life as a content creator by may time na you will think na you will feel your esteem dipping by kung yung algorithm nag-dip rin. Pero to tell you honestly, dapat hindi kayo magsalig lang dyan, no? Kasi sometimes by hindi natin yan makontrol na yung algorithm changes, no? Ma-restricted or ano pa ba dyan, mga purpose bakit nag-dip yan. Ang isipin nyo pag nag-create kayo ng content, isipin nyo yung feeling nyo. Okay, pag nasa point ka, palagi ka nagatingin sa algorithm, oy, bakit hindi na to, malaki masyado yung views ko before, ngayon mahina na lang. Doon kayo ma-discourage. Pero always think about yung feeling by when you started by yung nag-start ka viral, yung mga videos mo na nag-viral, how does it feel? Did it feel good by while watching your video, while sharing it to others? Ganun dapat isipin nyo where you started by. Kaya ang algorithm may change. Yes, that's a good thing if that goes up by, pero wag yan yung basihan na sa inyo ang standard of happiness, no? Create what you love. I know when we get older by we take medicine, no? But yes, medicine is a good thing, but the best medicine by is no stress, no? Walang stress by, you know, peace by. That's why I always love and peace, no? When we're peaceful by, our cortisol goes down, our relaxation of our muscles go down, so it benefits us everything by when we're relaxed, when we're comfortable, when we're at peace. That's the best medicine. In the right balance, you will get to your destination. Follow your heart. This is the rat race. Matrix. So I'm eating with Lian, kaon mig Badges kebab. Ignorante kayo, di mo kaon og chicken. Di na siya gustuhan ni kay nay green. Are you liking your food? Wala no. Wala ka ganahan sa imong pagkaon no. Ignorante makapagkaon, prito-prito. Ayo sige lagi prito-prito dapat tilawan nato na yung mga spices. Oh.
Spices?
Oh, kana oh, gilabay pag